Welcome to Speed Society, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, bringing you the latest and greatest in two-wheeled engineering. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the Harley-Davidson Flathead. This bike isn't just another addition to Harley's lineup, it's a tribute to the past, reimagined for the future. With its retro-inspired design, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Flathead is set to redefine what a classic cruiser can be. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or a newcomer to the brand, this bike demands attention. So, let's break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead. The legacy of the Flathead. The name, Flathead, carries a heavy legacy in the motorcycle world. Originally introduced in the 1930s, the Flathead engine was Harley-Davidson's workhorse, known for its simplicity, durability, and unmistakable rumble. It powered countless bikes and became a symbol of American motorcycling heritage. Fast forward to 2025, and Harley-Davidson is reviving the Flathead name, but this time with a modern twist. The new Flathead pays homage to its roots while incorporating contemporary engineering, making it a perfect blend of old-school charm and new-age performance. This isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a carefully crafted machine designed to honor the past while pushing the brand forward. Design and aesthetic. At first glance, the 2025 Flathead looks like it rode straight out of a vintage motorcycle catalog. The teardrop fuel tank, classic round headlight, and minimalist fenders scream retro, but a closer look reveals modern touches. The bike features premium metal finishes, hand-painted pinstripes, and a low-slung silhouette that stays true to Harley's cruiser DNA. The leather saddle, chrome accents, and spoked wheels add to its timeless appeal. However, Harley hasn't ignored functionality, the ergonomics are refined for comfort, and the LED lighting ensures visibility without breaking the vintage illusion. The Flathead is a masterclass in balancing nostalgia with contemporary design, making it a head-turner whether parked or on the move. Engine and performance. Underneath its classic exterior lies a thoroughly modern power plant. The 2025 Flathead is powered by a newly developed Milwaukee 8107 V-twin engine, delivering smooth yet punchy performance. With 90 horsepower and 110 lb-ft of torque, this bike has enough grunt for highway cruising and city riding alike. The engine retains that signature Harley rumble but benefits from advanced fuel injection, improved cooling, and reduced vibrations. Unlike its historic predecessor, this Flathead is fuel-efficient and emissions-compliant, proving that performance and sustainability can coexist. Whether you're rolling through town or hitting the open road, the Flathead's engine provides a responsive and engaging ride. Technology and features. Harley-Davidson has equipped the 2025 Flathead with a suite of modern tech while keeping the interface intuitive. The bike features a 4.3-inch TFT display integrated into the handlebar risers, offering navigation, ride modes, and connectivity via Harley's Bluetooth-enabled infotainment system. Keyless ignition, cruise control, and ABS come standard, ensuring convenience and safety. The suspension has been tuned for a plush ride, and the Brembo brakes provide confident stopping power. Despite its vintage looks, the Flathead doesn't skimp on modern rider aids, traction control, cornering ABS, and hill hold assist are all part of the package. Harley has managed to pack in these features without cluttering the bike's clean aesthetic, making it a perfect marriage of old-school style and new-school functionality. Handling and comfort. One of the biggest surprises with the Flathead is how well it handles. The lightweight steel frame and low center of gravity make it incredibly nimble for a cruiser. The suspension setup, **49 mm front forks and dual rear shocks **, soaks up bumps without sacrificing road feel. The riding position is relaxed, with mid-mounted controls and a slightly pulled-back handlebar, making it comfortable for long rides. Riding experience. Swinging a leg over the Flathead feels like stepping into a time machine, until you fire it up. The engine roars to life with that unmistakable Harley growl, but the ride is smoother and more refined than any vintage bike. Acceleration is linear, with torque available right off idle, making it effortless to ride in traffic. The exhaust note is throaty without being obnoxious, and the gearbox shifts smoothly. On the highway, the bike remains stable, and the wind protection, if you opt for the optional fly screen, is surprisingly effective. Upgrades and customization. Like all Harleys, the Flathead is a blank canvas for customization. The aftermarket support is already strong, with options ranging from performance exhausts and air filters to saddlebags and different handlebars. Harley's own Genuine Motor Accessories catalog offers bolt-on parts to personalize the bike further. Want a more aggressive look? Swap the seat and add blacked-out components. Prefer a touring setup? Throw on some leather bags and a taller windscreen. Who is this for? The 2025 Flathead is for riders who appreciate heritage but refuse to compromise on modern performance. It's ideal for Harley loyalists looking for something fresh yet familiar, as well as newcomers drawn to its classic styling. Commuters will love its agility, while weekend riders will appreciate its long-distance comfort. Pricing and availability. Harley-Davidson has positioned the Flathead as a premium offering, with a starting price of $17,999 for the base model. Optional packages and accessories can push the price higher, but the build quality justifies the cost. Deliveries begin in spring 2025, with limited initial production, so early orders are recommended. Dealerships are already taking reservations, and given Harley's history with heritage models, the Flathead is likely to sell quickly. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead is more than just a retro-styled cruiser, it's a celebration of motorcycling history, wrapped in modern engineering. It looks like a classic, rides like a dream, and comes packed with today's tech. Harley has struck a perfect balance, creating a bike that appeals to purists and modern riders alike. If you've been waiting for a cruiser that honors the past without living in it, the Flathead might just be your perfect match. That's all for today's deep dive on the 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Speed Society. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.